climb inside the 2008 Toyota Tundra. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.